Okay, so here we are going to have a look at Indian made folder. These are the last surviving manufacturers of Indian made knife. So let's have a look. So this is the largest size one. This is with horn handle and it got a nice thick firm blade. Overall length is 4.5 inches. Okay, so it's 4.5 inches. It's got a pail also. And let's have a look at the blade. So this is having a total length of 9 inches including blade. Let's see how the sharpness of it is. This is paper. Very sharp.